Remember, you've brushed all your teeth diligently. Twice a day, right? But 80% of your mouth's bacteria aren't even on.
The government of Solis has issued a wartime notice. Today, the Sultan of the neighboring nation, Al-Fassi, had declared war upon us due to territorial disputes of the mountains. Their ally, the Provisional Republic of Coventry, has also declared war upon us. As of now, they have invaded Solis and have started bombing campaigns on major population centers. We urge civilians to immediately shelter in place, avoid doors and windows, have emergency supplies ready. Electricity and other essential supplies may run out, so pack batteries, hand crank or battery-powered radios, food and water that is non-perishable and canned. As of now, the Solis armed forces and their allies are being mobilized immediately. If you can, immediately enlist for God and country. We will now play God Save Solis.